So we are Team 4 and we are presenting Juice. So first of all, a brief introduction about the company. So it founded in 2004, headquartered in Delft, and as of now, employee base is 500 employees. So as we talk about the business system, Juice is offering energy infrastructure, equipment and services, and overall Juice cater 21,000 clients across the Netherlands. So they provide different kind of solution energy solution like mid-term, long-term contracts, government contract and leasing agreement. And in governance part, Juice collaborate with industries, commercials and public sector clients. So when we discuss with the company regarding the problem statement, so Juice faces challenges in maintaining efficient and accurate data processes impacting operation and customer satisfaction. So this problem is basically related to their meter system. Juice has 45,000 meters across the country and they are doing data validation on everyday basis, and every day they are finding so many errors in the database. So major part which we have identified as a problem is there is a manual overload, ineffective automation, delayed fault resolution and a scattered system. So data validation ecosystem is data source, and in data source multiple parts are there like data from meters, data from DCS and data from MECOMs, and after that data moves to data management part where data investigation and then company do error validation, and after that the error validation remaining cases move to repair action part. The external stakeholders which are involved with this process are grid operator, customer and regulators. So talking about the routine, so start from the data collection and then data processing and the validation, and after that it moved to error detection. On a daily basis, Juice is finding like 200 errors in the data. So it's the biggest problem here, and then it moving to investigation part. After investigation, they are moving back to client for the follow-up. So they are doing customer contact and escalating those cases to technical team. After the technical intervention and mechanic visit, it moved to the data correction. So then they are finally moving to the reporting part, and after the repetitive cases, they are into the continuous improvement.
Now let's see what's holding Juice back and how to come out of it. Now the structural problem here is reliance on manually functioning systems, and the routine is the fault detection mechanism and the validation processes and operational efficiency is all manual, and it's it's hard coded. And culturally, the resistance in AI is there because of the skill gap that is in the company right now. And the key findings here are the current systems deal with manual data, and it is heavily reliant on manual validations. And MECOMs and DCS systems which are used now are outdated and are costly. And validation, static validation rules frequently flag accurate data, which increases the workload and frustration of the employees. And there is no predictive functionality as of now to detect anomalies or to detect prior maintenance needs, and which is time consuming. And cultural and skill set gaps, the organization is not yet fully ready, the employees are afraid of change, and there is a lack of feedback loop for learning from past mistakes or validations. And management requires a clear ownership so that the AI is implemented without looking much into the return on investment part. And the focal tensions here are divided into three. The first one is the perceived tensions. Here, the question is how much AI is to be used, and whether they should go for scalability as against customization needs of the company. And the latent tension here are there are skill gaps in the company, and a definite upskilling is required. And dependence on legacy systems which are used for a long time is also cause for resistance. And the nested tensions are team level, there is a resistance from the employees; organization level, the leadership struggles between innovation and stability; and ecosystem level, regulatory demands as against market expectations. And we have done a paradox reconciliation for Juice here, wherein this 0-10 is fully human. The lighthouse symbolizes trust and human oversight, as opposite to the owl, which is fully AI automation. Somewhere in between, 5-5 is the bridge where there is a balance of AI and human transition. Our company's positions right now is 4-7, wherein Phoenix symbolizes transformation of the company from manual to AI processes. And the target position is 8-9, where AI is used for automation purposes and manual intervention is used for complex issues. And the ideal paradox reconciliation for Juice would be 10-10, hybrid solution. However, it is costly and integration is difficult. The reconciliation statement here is by embedding AI-driven automation into routine energy management processes and integrating real-time human oversight, Jules can achieve harmony.
Now, off to the preview of AI solutions. We propose AI-powered validation framework for Jules to enhance efficiency, minimize errors, and improve predictive fault detection. We have 4 key ones: AI-enabled predictive fault detection for historical data and patterns and learned error detection; automated anomaly categorization; AI during customer communication to cut down the time from weeks to hours between Jules and the customer; AI-powered historical data validation to correct minor inconsistencies. Now, we have created 10 steps scope for AI to apply AI at Jules. So in the validation. Step 1 is data collection. So centralize all the 45,000 collected data. On to step 2, AI data validation. Replace static rules with machine learning to detect anomalies and reduce false positives. And step 3, let the AI handle the errors. Step 4, automated customer support to cut down, to create a chat box between Jules and the customer. Step 5, predictive maintenance to predict where, when the meters will need maintenance. Step 6, automated repairs, generate repair orders automatically and optimize technician scheduling with AI. Step 7, field technician support, add real-time diagnosis, repair suggestion, and task automation to the install app. Step 8, 9, and 10 will be continuous improvements of AI, of the validation system, and scalability of the AI through the company. Now, off to our action plan. We would start with step 1, preparing for AI and employee training. This will be through workshops, and emphasis will be put on AI would be there to help to make it more efficient, but not to replace employees. Step 2, pilot AI for daily validation, deploy AI for weekly nil checks and anomaly detections, track results, minimize false alerts, and reduce manual effort. Which moves into step 3, which is AI-powered validation dashboards, where we would connect mean comms, DCS, and eData for real-time insights, and automate error detection and accelerate issue resolution. Which moves us into the last step, which is optimize and scale AI at Jules. We would be hoping that this validation works and scale it throughout the whole company. Objectives of this is smarter, faster, and more accurate data validation at Jules. So we hope that this has helped, and thank you.